Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope everyone is doing great. So today is the fifth lecture on web development, and in today's video we will see that how can we manage our website and how can we see our branding and how can we look into the setting of our website. So moving towards the video, yesterday we logged into the website and we saw the display of the dashboard where I told you about things that were like posts. You can add new post or edit the previous one and you can publish from there. Then there is media where you can upload pictures and save from there also, and there are pages where you can manage the page numbers. There's a comment section, then there is appearance where we have the themes and the customization, etc. Then there are some plugins, so you can add a new plugin or update it, or also there is a plugin editor as well. So coming towards the appearance, we will go to the themes and we can see that there are some themes displayed over here already, but yeah, we can select any of them. You just have to click on update, or you can just simply activate and you can have your theme, but these are really simple. We are not going to apply any of them. We will just click on add new. So when you click on add new, you can have so many other new themes that are really good to see. So these themes can be related to any category: food, cooking, clothing, fashion, anything you want. You can get your themes from here. There is a huge variety over here. So here you can see there are so many themes over here. So you can search for any other category. For example, let's search for the food related themes. So here you can see there are so beautiful and captivating themes. So I would suggest that if you want to use a paid theme, that is Divi, 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 and if you are wanting to use an unpaid one, so the free one is 80. So on the Divi you can do any kind of customizations. But if you want a free theme and you want to use it for free, then it is 80. So if you want to use this one, you just click on 80 and install it from here. Now once it is installed, you just have to click activate from over here. So here we can see that our theme is activated, but right now after activation we can see that it is suggesting us some plugins. So we really have to install and look into the plugins as well to use the theme of our choice. So here we will just click on install plugins. So once you click the install plugins, then you can see the list, and that is a really good thing that it is recommending the plugins to you by itself. So there is a list, so you can install the plugins one by one and also all at a time. I am doing it one by one. So as you click it, it will start getting installed. So let's select all of them at a time. So these are getting installed, but it will take a bit time and then they will get installed bit by bit. But yeah, the good thing is obviously that it recommends the plugins to you by itself, so you need not to worry and check it again and again. But yeah, you obviously have to update the plugins so that you can use the new themes and all of the stuff. So there's this demo form, contact form, all of these things, you would have to install them. Now let's get to the install plugins option and check. So no, all of them are not installed yet, they are still in process. So it is getting installed and it is taking some time in the processing. So here you see that we have installed one and they will keep installing by themselves once we have clicked them. So we have already clicked the install button. Now they are getting installed one by one. So the installing is happening, and here let's install the Elementor. Yeah, it is also getting installed, and that is how you will do them stepwise and installing process one by one. So these plugins are all in process and they will take time, but yeah, it will happen. So now all of our work is in process and most of it is almost done. So now if we go back to the plugins and we check in the install plugins, here we have the list of all our plugins that are installed. So yeah, the installing plugins is complete now, and you can see the list of all of them over here. So now you just have to click activate on the plugins one by one and they will be activated. It will also show the option of deactivating. So if you do not require any and want to uninstall it, you can do the deactivation from here, but we do not have to do anything like that. So you just simply click on activate. So just come to the plugins and activate them one by one. So once it is done, so just checking into the activation process after installation. But yeah, obviously they are more than one, so they will take some time in the total installation process to get completed. It is taking a bit time, but I am going to continue the video and I'm not going to cut it or skip this part because these are all important steps and I don't want you to miss on anything. That's why I will just keep continuing the video so that you can have a better idea. So you have to follow each and everything step by step so you do not have any trouble when you proceed further. Okay, so all of our plugins are done. Now we will go back to the theme in appearance. So now after we activated the theme and did the plugin installation, now it will shows customize. So we will click on the customize, but all the other themes that are already present here, they are very simple and we do not need them. So we simply click delete on them and we will delete them. So if you have to install a new theme or remove a theme, so you would do that. You will delete the theme. Before that, you will have to install another one. Before installing another one, you cannot delete it, even if you are using anyone else instead of AD and DB. So you would have to install another theme first and then you will delete the one you want to delete. So then you have to click on appearance and then click on demo data. So once it's done, you will see that all of the airy theme is displayed over here and it is giving you the data. So this is almost giving the data about 6 categories, that is agency, startup, and health, photography, and other things also. So you just have to import any of them and then see. So before applying that data, we will just see the overview of our website so that you can check that what would be the results after importing this data. So let's just do the business one, and we did this with Airy, that is a free one, the free theme. So here we can see, now look at the preview of our website. Now just let's go back to the website and preview our website. So here you would click the option that is visit site. Now look at this amazing overview of our website, and all of that is just done by a single click. It is giving you so many options and such a cool outlook. That is all done by just a single click. So it has done everything for you, so many things. There are so many options related to your website that it has done for you by itself. That's why I told you that we are going to teach you things at a single click. So here is the About Us option, the blog, Contact Us, Home, Sample page, and various other things. So here is the Contact Us form. All we have to do is just edit them a bit and put our information in them. So the pages we require to add here, we will just add them over here. So this is how our homepage looks like. The dashboard or homepage, that is almost the same thing. Now we are going to do the simple basic branding of our website. We will just go back. Now back to our website, we will just go to the appearance, and from here we will just click on customization. So from here we will do some basic branding and all. So here is the overview of our theme, and you can change it also. You can click on the header. So we click on the menu, and here you can see the menu type: basic 1 header, basic 2 outside header, basic 3 inside header, basic 4 outside header. So here are all the options. So you can click on each of them and then see that how is the preview of your website shown. So whichever suits you, you can choose that for your website. So it will be different preview for basic 1, inside, outside, basic 2 and 3 and 4. So yeah, all of these are going to work like this. So it's up to you, whatever you want to choose, whichever you like, you can do that from here. So below that there is the sticky menu, and there is an option of static menu in it. So from static menu we cannot see anything as such, so we will just click on sticky menu. So there is a search icon as well, so if you want to disable it, you can just do it from here. So by simply unchecking it, it will be disabled. So to record and manage and save all of these settings, you just click on publish, and all of these settings and changings you have made for your website will be saved over here. Then we come to the typography. Typography can help you change the font size, the font style, and anything. So these things are done in typography, so you people can check it out by yourself. So we check the color session now, whether it is header, color, or blog. So you can do it from here as well. So then you can manage the footer from here as well. So 1, 2, 3 or 4 columns, any amount you want, you can adjust it from over here. Whatever amount of columns you need, you just click them from here and it will be done. So coming back, there is the blog option. No, we are not going to look into that. There is the site identity. In site identity, you can change the logo, etc. from here. You can put the title and site icons from here also. So already we can see that there is logo that is displayed, and it is the Aries logo. So what I will do is remove this from here and insert any of my own logo over here that I want to get displayed over here. So if you have it uploaded on the media file, you can get it from there. Otherwise you can choose it from the files in your computer's gallery. Here it also suggests that it should be of 250 by 250 pixels. So here I have selected an image that size is 458 by 458. So you just skip the cropping, and here your logo is displayed. Now let me tell you that how can you change its size. Simply go to the change file, upload the logo from there as we did previously, and select the same photo. Then from there you can click on the edit image and your selected image will be shown here. So the size it has recommended was different, but I am just keeping it 80 by 80 because I want to keep it short. So now just we have to scale it from here and then update. After updating the image, you go back to the media file. So go back to the media files and select the same image you have edited right now. So you have just edited that and then updated it, so it will be present in the form of edited media and you can use it from over here. So the network is a bit slow, but here now you can see the size we have adjusted. So this is how you have to update and edit. Then you just have to skip cropping, and here you can see the size and then you look for our logo. And now if you want to change the logo, you can do that by yourself following the same procedure I've explained before. So if you want to write some text over here, you can do that even if the title is WordPress something, but you can write your subdomain over here. But if you want to put some text over there, then you would have to remove your logo. So it's better to keep your logo over here, and then there is a tagline. If you put the text, then you would also have to put the tagline also. So then the site icon is shown here. Likewise, the icon is visible over here and displayed. So you can just click on the site icon and upload from the media. We will select the same icon and then you just simply have to upload it. You'd have to follow the same procedure. You just now skip the cropping. So our side icon is also selected over here, and you can also change it from here. And after that, you just have to click on publish from over here, and now you can see our logo is here. So here's our website, and the other things about us, blog, contact us, we will see them later. So here our website is created. So now try to perform practically whatever you learn, and do let us know in the comment section about your views. What have you learned so far, and if there are any queries. So that was all for today. So it is really good that if you have bought a domain, and if you did not, then try to buy a project from the local market where you can work. So for practicing, you can just pick some free projects. So go to the Facebook and ask people that you can create them free websites. So they will give you the domain and hosting, and then you can create many websites, and that is how you will practice. So I hope that you liked today's video. So that was all for today's video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. We will meet inshallah in another video, another part of the lecture. Allah Hafiz.